The RentMy bulk import feature allows you to add dozens or hundreds of products to your inventory at once. To get started, click the Inventory and List link. In the top right corner, you'll find a Tools button where you can click to import inventory. The first step is to add new inventory, so we'll click the Add Inventory link. From here, you'll have the option to download a sample import sheet. Click the black box to get your import sheet template. The template contains a couple of sample rows of information. Note that there are multiple tabs on this sheet. For now, we'll start with the products. RentMy assigns a product ID and a variant ID for each of your inventory, but you can add your own in the client ID field. Here you'll need to populate fields like name, location, and by the way, make sure that that location name matches exactly the location name that you have in your account. If your products contain multiple variants, in this example color, list the variant and multiple variant values if you have them, along with keywords, tags, descriptions, sales tax, etc. It's all pretty self-explanatory. If you have any questions, you can review our help article located at help.rentmy.co. Now that we have our sample template, we'll overwrite this with actual information. I'm going to go to another file and paste in the information that we need for the import sheet. Remember to blank out the sample or default fields. So I've added my inventory, quantity, description, etc. And now I'm ready to import my products into my RentMy account. Save the file you're working with as an Excel or CSV document. You can upload that document from the Tools menu available in the Inventory List screen and add the file you've been working with. Depending upon the number of records you've added to this file, it could take just a few seconds up to a few minutes to add your inventory. Once the file's completed processing, you can go to the Inventory and List screen to see that the product names and RentMy product IDs have been assigned. Now we'll add prices to our products. Again, we'll go to the Tools and List menu and this time export inventory that's in RentMy and open that file. And you'll see now that there are RentMy product IDs and variant IDs assigned for each product. And in this workbook, there are multiple tabs: product, price, asset, and image. So now we'll go to the Price tab and add pricing. You can view the available inputs for this sheet on the Edit Inventory Pricing screen. Here we'll indicate that these products are available for rent. They're available on a daily basis. In this example, we'll say a one-day rental is $20. And you can use the additional fields if you use our advanced pricing controller. So just for example's sake, we'll copy these records down and make a couple of modifications. So here we'll just copy these prices down, and I'll change just a few so you can see how the import feature works. You can set the daily rate at any number of days that you like, and the same is true for hours, weeks, and months. I'll expand the product name so I can see what I'm working with, and we'll just change this price, and down here we'll change the number of days that this rental is for. Again, save our updates as an Excel or CSV document. Back to the inventory screen. This time we'll import inventory, and we're editing the products that are already in the system. So we'll choose Edit and Price, and now we can upload the sheet that we had just worked with. And again, processing time may vary based on the number of records you're adding via the bulk import. But after a few moments, you'll see that the pricing has been imported and updated. And we can check the list screen to see now that products, quantity, and prices are displayed here along with those edits that we made for examples. You can export the inventory to make adjustments and re-import, or start the import fresh for adding new products.